friends, welcome to RV Academy.
Already I discussed with regards to material cost, then we discussed about overheads. Today my topic is reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. When there is no integrated accounting is maintained in the organization for both cost and financial accounts, in other words, separate set of books are maintained by cost accountant and financial accountant in an organization or in a company. They prepare separate financial statements. When they prepare separate financial statements, the profit shown by financial accountant is completely different of that of the profit shown by the cost accountant. There will be a difference. Say for example, a cost accountant is showing a profit of 1 lakh, whereas the financial accountant is showing a profit of 1 lakh 50. Why this difference? If there is a difference in the organization, it leads into lot of doubts about the company. So that is why we need to reconcile the financial profits with cost accounting profits or costing profits with financial accounting profit. There are so many reasons for the differences between the profits of financial accounting and the cost accounting. What are those differences which is written here? Items shown only in financial accounts. Some of the items are shown only in the financial accounts. Items shown only in cost account. Some items are not entered in the costing books, but it is entered only in the financial books. Absorption of overheads. Over absorption or under absorption of overheads. In other words, suppose for example administration overhead in cost accounting is written as 1 lakh, whereas financial accountant is written 80,000. So here it is over absorption. Similarly, selling and distribution overhead recorded by cost accountant is 1 lakh, whereas financial accountant is written 1 lakh 20 under absorption. So that is one reason for the difference between the profits. Methods of stock valuation. The financial accountant follow the cost or market value whichever is least. Either cost price or market price whichever is least. But the cost accountant follow either FIFO, LIFO, simple or weighted average method to value the opening and closing stock. Sometimes overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock, that should be rectified. Abnormal loss and gains, then different methods of charging depreciation. There are different methods as we know charging for depreciation. The cost accountant, if he is following straight line method, the financial accountant may follow written down value method. So these are the various reasons. Let us see one by one in detail. Please go through the chart. The first item shown only in financial accounts, purely financial incomes. What are those financial incomes which will not be shown in the cost accounting? Profits on sale of fixed asset, interest received on investment, dividend received on investment, rent, brokerage, commission received, premium on issue of shares, transfer fees received. All these are financial income in nature. The cost accountant will never going to consider all this for calculating the profits or in the cost sheet. Purely financial expenses. Loss on sale of fixed assets like plant and machinery, building and other properties, interest paid on bank loans and mortgages, discount allowed, loss due to damages of plant, machinery, loss due to theft and pilferage, penalties, expenses of shares, transfer fees, preliminary expenses written off, goodwill written off, discount on debentures, damages payable as per law. All these are the financial expenses in nature. While preparing the cost sheet, the cost accountant will never going to consider all these expenses. Appropriation of profits. It includes dividend paid, transfers to reserve, donations, income tax or super taxes. All these will not be taken by the cost accountant. This is purely financial items in nature. Now, items shown only in cost accounts. Some of the items There are some items which are recorded only in cost account but not included in financial accounts. For example, no notional interest on capital, notional rent of premises owned, salary to proprietors, depreciation on fully depreciated assets still in use, etc. are not recorded in financial accounts because the amount is not actually spent or paid. It is notional expenses or notional incomes. Absorption of overheads. As I said, over absorption or under absorption of overhead. Both it is written in cost accounting and financial accounting. As I said, administration expenses written in the financial accounting by 1 lakh, cost accountant by 80,000. Here it is under absorption. Similarly, selling and distribution overhead written by cost accountant is 1 lakh and financial accountant by 1 lakh 20 over absorption. Like over and under absorption of overheads leads into difference in profits. Next we have methods of stock valuation. As I said, the financial accountant follows either cost price or market price, whichever is least, but cost accountant will follow FIFO, LIFO, simple or weighted average methods. Abnormal losses and gains. Different items of abnormal wastages, losses or gains which are included in financial account but are not included in cost account. Some of the abnormal losses. Abnormal losses means beyond the control, any expenses incurred, the cost accountant will never going to consider such abnormal losses, but financial accountant will consider. So there will be a difference because of this. Different methods of charging depreciation. As we already told you, the financial accountant will follow straight line method or written down value method. The cost accountant may follow some other method following straight line method. These are the various reasons for the difference between the cost and financial accounting. In my next video, I will show the chart and I will tell you how to work out the problems and find out the profit as per financial accounts. When costing profit is given, for profit as per cost accounting when financial profits are given. So I will have to give two different charts for this. I will give the charts, then I will work out the problems on this. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.